Hello Standard 7, welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. Today we are going to 1.5 of Unit 1, that is Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. Actually, Seeing Eyes and Helping Hand is the name of the project. In this, we are going to learn about the invitation. Yes, it is an activity chapter. There are 4 different types of invitation. Yes, and in that the they are grouped as A, B, C, D. A is a formal invitation, B is a notice, and C and D is an oral invitation. Today we will be doing this A and B invitation. Now, before we go to this chapter, let me give you little summary of it. Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. This is the name of the project. This project is accepted by the New Vision High School, yes, in Bombay. This project is only for standard 7th. Yes, and let's go. And the program is about an inauguration. See, whenever now, for example, if annual gathering function is there held in the school, what we do, we send out the invitations. Yes or no? For children separate, for chief guest, for the guest, prominent guest, important guest, we send them an invitation card. Yes, in short, you can say that this chapter deals with the invitations. So let us start with Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Let me off this. Okay. So now we are going for an formal invitation. Now everyone in New Vision High School was busy. Why they are busy? Why? Because the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take next week. Inauguration means an official ceremony to mark the beginning of something. Schedule arranged for a particular time. It was getting late because the invitation was not sent. At last, the principal herself, she started preparing the formal invitation. She started drafting it. Who helped her? The art teacher, the drawing teacher and her students made copies of it. And here is a sample of it. You can see, find in your textbook. Let me pause it up. In the page number 16. See, what is that? Now we are going to see section wise. First up to from this bracket to this bracket. This square we are going to see. See, we solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes Helping Hands at the hands of Shrimati Vimala Nayak, former principal of New Vision High School and President Sayak Samaj. So solicit, request. We request you. Who is requesting? The full school is requesting that you come for the inauguration of which project? See, the project name is written in a capital. Seeing Eyes and Helping Hand. At the hand. Who is going to inaugurate it? Shrimati Vimla Nayak. Who is she? Former. You can say ex-principal of which school? New Vision High School. Means it's their only school. She was working as a principal before. And she is also the president of Sayak Samaj. Yes, understood up to here? Now we are going for the next session. So that is next continuation is that. Now this is about all. Always remember, when you start an invitation, we start writing with we solicit your presence. First you put this both and then you write the name of the project. Now next we are going, next guest, Dr. A.M. Chowdhury, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function, to be in charge of a formal meeting, right? And now see this, very important, let me pause it up. Very important section is the first. This two is requesting, a polite request to come to the project, the name of the project, who are going to be the chief guest 1 and 2, and giving their description exactly who they are. And then the second one also, dean means principal of the medical college, right? And then he has kindly agreed. And then the most important, now if we send them an invitation, what is the time, on which day it is there, right? which place? Venu means place. And who is sending this invitation? Suhasini Ambekar, that is principal, present principal. And who are the teacher in charge of this project? That is V.S. Ajinkya. And which are the children? Who are the children? Student secretaries. You can say head girl and head boy. That is Komal Shelar and Nitin Walke. Student secretaries. SEHH means short form of Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. So I'll just start it up. And here we finish the first. This is a formal invitation. This is an invitation card it is. Yes? Read this properly, huh, child? You have to remember the name of the project, the guest, what position they were, when is this event taking place, where this event will be taking place, who is sending this invitation card, who is the present principal, who is the teacher in charge, and who are the school secretaries, student secretaries. Okay. Now I am going to pause again. Now second invitation, it is a notice. Now for children there is no need of giving an invitation. This is a notice. You can see it is displayed in the school notice board. And what it is? That student also has to come along with their parents. See, also a notice was put on the school notice board to invite the students and the parents to an inaugural function. Now students of standard 7th and their parents are invited to what? To the inauguration of the project. The project's name, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. Who is going to be the chief guest? At the hand of Shrimati Vimla Naik. The same thing it is there. Whatever we have done it in the first invitation. Same thing. Right? And then the time, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Day, Sunday. Date, 9th July. Year, 2017. Venu means the place where it is Assembly Hall. Assembly Hall of which person means which place? New Vision High School, where it is off Main Street, Girgaon. So this was a written notice to the students and the parents. You can say for the students who will go home and say this up to their parents. So these are the two invitations. Children, read this properly because this is one of the most important writing skill, drafting a invitation. Right? So, or drafting a notice. Invitation will be like a formal invitation, that is A, and this is the B. This is a, if they are asking that draft a notice, the notice should be this way. This is a logo, Seeing Eyes Helping Hand. So here we end the first video of this chapter 1.5, Seeing Eyes and Helping Hands. Thank you.